Hi everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to draw a realistic basketball shoe step by step. Grab your art supplies and let's dive in. Step 1. Drawing the sole. Draw a curved line beginning at the bottom, rising diagonally to the right and stopping slightly before the right margins. Make the heel thicker using an elongated shape and add a curved shape to the front part of the sole. Step 2. Drawing the upper part. For the upper part of the shoe, draw a line starting at the top of the curved structure for the toes, slant it slightly to the right, then bend it upwards and stop close to the top margins of your drawing paper. Extend the line downwards, creating wavy lines, and connect it with the heel. Before we continue, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. On to Step 3, drawing the laces. Before we add the laces, we need to add the throat using a line that starts from the part of the upper shoe closest to the toe and bend it gradually until it covers the area below the collar of the shoe. For the laces, create tube-like structures along the bottom part of the throat. Ensure they don't overlap. Step 4. Adding patterns. Now we need to add patterns all across the shoe to make it stand out. Step 5. Adding more details. We need to enhance the appearance of our shoe further by adding stitching and a logo. Step 6. Color the shoe. To make our drawing stand out, we are going to color it. Take out your coloring supplies and let your creativity run wild. Congratulations! The basketball shoe drawing is ready. We've taken you through each stage, from drawing the sole to adding vibrant colors. You can use these steps to draw any type of sneakers. You can even use these steps to design your own unique footwear. Thank you for joining us today. See you soon.